I've decided not to go camping anymore after my Adelaide trip. I think I'm just going to go stay in the cities from now on. I'll ride my dirt bike or my motorbike to the city, and I'll find a nice apartment, and I'll just go out and have coffees and croissants maybe, and yeah, be seen. But yeah, seriously, we're loaded up. I am going through Melbourne, but we're heading west, way out west. I think there's a song out there. Way out west, where the rain don't fall. Got a job with a company drilling for oil. So yeah, we're going to head out west, and just find some out into the Western Plains, I'm going to say, of Victoria. Just find some different country. Tend to do the high country and the Great Divide a lot because I'm obviously close to that. 20 minutes driving and I'm into the bush. But yeah, just decided I've taken Friday off and sort of got a bit of paperwork done this morning, and I'm going to head out west. So there's a couple of deserts out here, and we're going to go out and have a look at those. But that's where we're heading, folks, out to the west. Once you get past sort of the Grampians, the country gets very flat. So this is still the Great Divide up here to our right. Obviously that's the dividing range that goes from the Grampians where we're going right past my place all the way up to Queensland. So yeah, but once we get past the Grampians we're out onto the plains, and certainly sort of even before the Grampians we sort of start start getting into the flatter country, and yeah, and the Grampians is the last hurrah of the Great Dividing Range. So yeah, we'll see how we go, guys. We'll get to where we get to tonight, and we'll just play it by ear. Yeah, right. I wish. So we got about another half an hour down the road. The old Teneré spluttered to a halt in the middle of peak hour traffic on a Friday afternoon. Oh dear, it was a bit of a sausage. Anyway, pulled over and yeah, got it going again, but it only lasted 10 seconds. Got it going again, lasted 10 seconds, and spluttered to a stop each time. Didn't know what was happening, so had a bit of a fiddle around with the bike, had a jump starter, started it a couple more times, eventually flattened my battery, flattened the jump starter. I was done. Happened to be a tilt tray in the area, so I got him to tilt tray to the next service station, pulled over there and rang a good mate of mine, Mark, who is now officially in legend status. He came and picked me up, and I went home with my tail between my legs. Anyway, guys, that's the way it happens sometimes. You win some, so you lose some. So, yeah, I'll reset in another couple of weeks. I've got some stuff coming up this weekend, but certainly we'll reset in a couple of weeks and do the same trip. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. We'll hope to see you out in the trail soon. I may not have got to go away camping. I may have had a broken down bike. But look at the breakfast my lovely wife made for me this morning. I think she's glad to have me back.